Number 11. Number 11 versus number 7-7. Number 11 ang may tama ng bola. Pass to number 7. Pass to 14. Tumira. Hey! 7 ang may tama ng bola. Dribble the ball. Pass to 121. Pass to 14. 14. Pass to 27. Wala. Solong-solo yan. Boxing number 11. Sarap yan. Kunin mo na mamaya. Sorry lang. Sorry, bossing. Mag-complicate lang. Hey, dude. Let's go. Score. Score 2-2. Number 21. Pass to number 14. Number 14 naman may tangan. Number 21 may tangan ng ball. Pass number 7. Number 21. Number 14. Tumira ng 3. God bless. Tumira ng. Pass to number 7-7. 7-7. Dribble the ball. Out. Number 14. Alright, number 14 foul. Foul was number 14. Number 11 inbound the ball. Pass number 7-7. Traveling kaibigan. Naglakbay. Bossing. Huwag magreklamo. Number 21. Number 21 given the ball shot. No good. Oh. Number 21. 77. Pass to number 11. Dribble the ball. The ball yan. Dribble. Pass 14. 14 pass 7-7. 14. Number 8. Number 8. Nag-isip. No. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Number 27. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Pass to 26. Nagkaroon ng isip. Pumipasa. Number 7. 7. Number 14. Tumira. Hindi naman na daw. Pass to number 21. 21. 7. Number 14. Oh. Yeah. Orange ball. Number 14 pa ng bola. Number 7-7. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Oh. Yeah, good. Number 14. Ay! Sarap niya, bossing. Number 22. Pass to number 21. Dribble the ball. 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 21. 27, Tumira. No good. Baba. Foul. Foul, number 14. No good. Free throw, number 13. Pasok tayo dyan, kaibigan. Inbound the ball, number 22, pass to number 27. Pass to 11. 11, driving left. No good. Number 27, number 7 ng bola. Screen, number 77. Number 77. Oh! Nice. Yellow na ball. Pass to number 8. 7-7. Pasok side step. Gandang pasa mo. Foul. Number 26. Bossing. Ang depensa niyan. 7-7. 7-7. Pass to number 11. 7-7. 3 points. 7-3 ang score natin. Foul number 11. Blocking foul. 14 on the ball. That's number 21. Dito the ball. Tiran press. Smoggy. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 ang itamang ball. Dito the ball. Pass 11. Basket yun. Basket count. Grabe naman. Number 11 basket count. 2 points. Wow, number 14. Mahina first personal foul. Substitution left. Wait lang. Oh yeah, pasok na daw yan. 21 out, 24 in. Basket. Number 18, may tangan ng ball. Dribble na ba number 18? Pass to 24. 24, dribble the ball. Ay, yung ganda niyan. So, bigla lang. Number 11, pass to number 14. Oh. Number 7. Uy! Uy! Wala. Number 11 ang itang ng bola. Wow. Number 24. Penalty ulit. Penalty rin. Guys, penalty na 5 points. Substitution 26 out, 23 in. Intro number 11. Pasok yung bossing. Intro 11. Pasok. Ganda nga, may pag-Monday na. Number 18. 18 ang may tama ng bola. Pass to 27. 27 tumira, perimeter, wala. 14 ang may yaman ng bola. Number 14. Oh, 23. 23 dribble the ball. 23 dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Oh, steal by number 11. Number 7. Ang gandang maibig niyan. Wala. 14. Wala pa rin. Symbol. Yellow ball. Inbound the ball, number 11. Pass to 22, 11. Dalawang isa, 3. Still the ball kay number 27. Number 27. Uy, gandang spin mo. Number 11. 11 pass to 7. Tumira ng press. God bless. 18 na bitaan ng ball. 18. Uy. Yellow ball. Seven ang may tangan ng bola. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Nice D. 18. Inaw-out pa. Pasok. 77 ang may tangan ng bola. Oh. And offensive foul tayo of a 3. Number 77. Seven ang may tangan ng bola. Nasa 23. Press, wala. Rebound by number 22. Number 13. number 14. Namitangan ng bola, number 14. Uy! Number 24, number 23. 23. Takso! Ano yun?
23, 2 points.
Number 23?
2 points.
18 na may tangan ng bola. Basket. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ring. Alright, 8 ang first quarter. Ganda ng first quarter natin. 12. Start of second quarter. Yellow ball. Okay, let's go. 77 inbound the ball. 77 inbound the ball. Pass to number 26. 26 dribble the ball. 26. Foul. Alright, personal foul. Foul is foul, kaibigan. Number 21. 21 personal foul, number 21. First personal foul si number 21. Technical foul dyan, kaibigan, sa mga referee natin. 21, technical foul. Technical foul number 21. Isa lang ang referee natin, hindi niya lahat makikita yan, kaibigan. Free throw. Basket. Basket count. 39 into the penalty. 36 pass to number 14. Ay, sarap yan. Steal by number 77 ng dalawang aso.
Yes, sir! Position number 7 in the
Number 14. 77 na may tangan ng bola. Pass to number 26. 26 dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Pass to 77. Nagdalawang isip. Sugod. Ay! Bossy! Alam ko na Uy, ganda niya yung dagat na yun. Foul.
Alright, someone is foul. Who's foul, right? 24. Alvarez foul.
21. Free throw. Basket.
1 point.
Last throw. 21. Slow rebound by number 2. 24 ang itahan. 26 ang itahan ng bola. 7-7 dribble the ball. Ganda yan. 14. Wala. 24. Pass to 26. 3 seconds violation.
Nice step.
23 inbound the ball, pass to number 21. 21 ang itahan ng bola, pass to number 18. Tumira ng
3 points. Yes, sir.
All 50 tayo dyan, kaibigan. 77 ang itahan ng bola. Dribble the ball at dala. Oh. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Number 2 nag-isip. Pass to number 77. 14. 14. Driving number 77. Laking foul tayo dyan, kaibigan. 20.
23 pushing foul, number 23.
May tangan ng bola. Oh yeah. 24. 24. Oh. Pass number 26. Oh. Oh. Whistle, rep. 21. Nakadalawang foul.
21, 3 personal foul number 21.
Free throw by Bossing.
3 fouls na number 21.
Uy, di pasok yan, Bossing. Free throw number 2. Uy, bawal yung Bossing. Nagpapanggap ka na naman. Number 18 na may taan ng bola. Dribble the ball, number 23 sa subo. Side step. Nice! Doon ang pito. Diretso lang. Doon ang pito. Seventeen na yung block. 20, number 2, 26. Wow, number 26. Sub.
Odin, 2 personal foul, Odin.
23 out, 24 in.
Lamang na ang Tanyero, 2 points.
No good, number 26. Sub. Sub rep. Sub. Yeah, 7. Kita ng bola. Number 7. 27. Layup.
Yes, sir. Number 27, Reyes.
Ay, 24. Basket.
Substitution rate next.
Yeah, diretso lang. 27. 3. Number 14 ang may tangan ng bola. Number 14. Number 14. Basket. 19 all. 18 ang may tangan ng bola. Dribble the ball. Gandang crossover niyan. Binangga ang pader.
Number 26, foul. Oh, number 26, first personal foul.
Sub. 77 out. 11 in. in, 14 out. 23, 18, dribble the ball. 18, pass to 7. Pass to number 27. 27, pass to 18. Pass to number 7. Pass to 18. 18, ganda sa step line.
Number 26, foul. Okay, number 26, second personal foul. Number 26.
Nagu.
Luis Rivera. Next up, Red.
Basket shot. 18 out, 21 in. 26 out. In number 22.
20,
Guard, Panyero.
2019 ang score natin.
In favor of Paniero. Number 11.
Grabe talaga number 11, Zori.
Dribble the ball.
Zori at Zori na lang kayo.
Uy! Number 22. 22! Good. 24 on my top. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Number 2. Ganda ng
Number 2.
Warning ka, number 2. Bossing, huwag ka magpanggap. Huwag ka namumukala. Number 21, pass to number 7. 7, wala. Rebound by number 20. Jumbo.
Alright. Blackbird. Blackbird. Bilang Panyero. Substitution rate. Number 7 out. Last 40 seconds of second quarter.
Number 21. Pass to number 14, tumira ng rest.
14-14. Over.
22 ang rebound ng bola. Pass to number 11. 11. Uy! Pass to number 30. Pass to number 24. 24. Pass to number 11. 11. Maso! And Maso! Hey! 21. Pang-apat mo na yan. Number 21.
Number 21. Third personal foul.
Isa na lang going to graduation. Number 11. Basket.
Yes, sir. Start of third quarter.
Number 21.
Busing ka na. Busing! Regalo ko sa'yo, Busing.
7 pass to number 13. 30 pass to 22.
Alright, somebody's foul. Who's foul rep?
26.
26. 26. Odin, third personal foul. Third personal foul, si Odin. Si Odin.
No good.
Odin, third personal foul.
Last throw number 22. Pass.
22, 2 points, 22. Meron ba yun? Out of play.
26 pass to number 23.
25-20 ang score natin, mga kuya.
Dribble the ball. Pass to number 27. 27 pass to 23. 23 traveling violation.
Bola ng NOC. Andito na si RDB Dave ng Noble Hopes. Noble Hopes ng Sakalangan.
31. Dribble the ball. Pass to 77. Pass to 40. Nag-iisip ko sino papasahan. Pass to 30. 30. Pass to 77. 31. May wala. Masyadong mataas yung kuya. Number 27. Dribble the ball. 27. 27. Setting the game. 3 points. Not good. 77 ang ball. Dribble the ball. Wala. Same ball. Tayo diyang kapatid.
Substitution rate.
14 out. 18 in.
Ah?
77. Pass to 30. Perimeter shot.
Balik!
Pass to number 23. 23. Pass to number 7. 7. Dribble the ball. Pass to 23. Dribble the ball. Perimeter shot. Not good. 30 rebound. 77 ang may tangan ng ball. Pass to 13. Gandang setup niya. Hey! 30 rebound. Not good. 27. Dribble the ball. Number 27. 27. Pasok. Wala. 77. 8. Pass to 14. Nice. 2 points by number 15.
27-20 ang score natin.
Lamang ng 7 ang NLC. 18. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Pass to 26. Pass to 27. Matik na yan.
4 points, 27, 4 points.
77, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball, number 77. Pass to number 14. 77, dribble the ball. Pass to 31. 77. Pass to 14. Ganda pass again.
From
27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 7. 18. Tiniran ng rest. God bless. 27. Gandang pasok niyan, kaibigan.
27 yung pasok mo, pumasok.
Yes.
7-7. Dribble the ball. Pass to 31. Pass to 77. Pass to 30. Wala. 7. Inbound the ball. Number 23. 18. Hey, basket.
Number 18.
Sorry, technical. Paniero.
Last 4 minutes of third quarter. 29-26.
Isa lang ang referee natin, mga mandalaro. Intindihin natin yan. Hindi lahat nakikita. Basket.
Basket count.
Then,
Number 7, RC.
RC. Inbound the ball. Pass to number 31. 31, dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to 77. 77, dribble the ball. Pass to 31. Gandang suksok niyan. Pass to number 22.
Number 22. Grabe na si Richard Bremen.
18. 18, dribble the ball. 18. Perimeter, wala. Pass to number 14. 14. 14. Dribble by number 23. 23, pass up. Blocking foul. Number
RG's.
14, pushing foul.
Number 13, pushing foul.
Number 18, dribble the ball. Pass to number 23. 23, pass to 23. Pass to number 27, perimeter. Wala yan. Number 14, number 77, on the ball. Foul, number 27, holding foul.
7 first personal foul si Reyes. 32-26.
77 inbound the ball, pass to number 31. 31. Dribble the ball. 31. Pass to number 30. Goal is clear by number 23. Pass to number 7. 27. 7. Pass.
Yes sir, number 7.
77. Take the ball. Oh. Blocking foul. Sakot ang dadaanan.
Sino mo pinsin?
Number 20, 88.
Number 18.
Buhatin natin, kuya. Running yung oras natin. Sub. Number 24. In. Number 18 out.
Ipagpag na, ipagpag.
31, pass to number 77, pass to number 31. Pass to number 77, tumira ng rest. God bless pa. Rebound by number 7. 7, foul. 20.
22, personal foul number 22, first personal foul.
Last 40.
Last 45 seconds of third quarter.
Pass to number 36. Ganda possible, number 24. 24. Steal by number 13. 13. Diretso yan, kaibigan.
Number 14, counted RG.
34-28 in favor of NLC. 7 na may pinanong bola. Pass to number 26.
Bangkol! 13 seconds! Last shot! Last shot! 9!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 34-28 in favor of NLC.
Baba! Depensa! Baba!
Yes, sir. 24 NLC.
One stop! Oh, stretch arms!
Last 8 minutes. Number 8, personal foul. Number 8. Alvarez, first personal foul, Alvarez.
Seki! Bola! Seki!
31 na sila. Traveling violation. Bila ng Panyero.
Kuya, pag nakashoot, time out ha.
Alright, time out, right, next time out. Hawkins, number 4. Yes, sir, number 24, 2 points. Number 26, foul. Personal foul. Fox, come out. Alright, come out, rep. 8LC, time out. Last 4 minutes. Reyes. All right, somebody's foul up. Number 202, Siva.
Lapit na kayo mag-penalty ha. Malapit kayo mag-penalty. Tapos na yung pinto. Ayan, ano tayo sa back? Last 3 minutes bro, wala na running time. Stop, stop, stop. Stop bro, stop, stop, stop.
Pogs, Pogs. Yes, sir, number 13, RG32. Reyes, 4-3. Yes, sir. Apat lang ang laman ng LC. Number 30, 13. Reyes, 2 points. 5 lang ang laban. Aiden, third personal foul. Aiden.
Boss up tayo, boss up.
Substitution, right? Substitution. Next up, right? Two points is good. What point?
Pumasok, stop!
Last 2 minutes. Following violation. Next up, right? Next up. Substitution. Alright, shot clock. 24 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Shot clock. Yes, sir. RC. 2 points.
One stop.
Number 17 points, Enriquez. Last 50 seconds. 45. Last 15 seconds shot clock. 10.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
5. 3 seconds to shoot, 3 seconds to shoot, ha? 3 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 10 seconds shot clock. 6, 4 seconds shot clock. 3, 2,
4 seconds.
wala na time, 4 seconds lang.
Next one.
2 points, Reyes.